So now I'm going to be installing the PTO shaft onto the stump grinder. Unfortunately, I am going to have to trim my PTO shaft. So to do that, I'm going to be taking a measurement from about right here on the drive shaft of the tractor. And then, of course, about midways to where the bolts and the PTO shaft are going to set on the stump grinder's drive shaft. So my measurement, I got roughly 61 inches. That's the max length of my PTO shaft needs to be. My PTO shaft that come with the stump grinder is measuring roughly about 63 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably cut probably about 3 inches off both sides and see if that gets me. So like I said, we're gonna be trimming 3 inches off both sides of our PTO shaft. We already have our PTO shaft split in half. It just pulls apart. So when you're cutting your PTO shaft, you always want to make sure you cut 3 inches off both sides. You cut 3 inches off both sides of the plastic and 3 inches off both sides of the actual shaft. We're just going to put little marks on here at 3 inches in a couple different places and cut the plastic first. So now that we have our PTO shaft and the plastic cut off, the guard, we're going to take a file and just run on the inside and outside, make sure we don't have any burrs. After we get all the burrs and everything off, I'm going to take a little bit of grease, put on the inside of this shaft because where it slides into here, and we should be good to go. All right, now that we got our PTO shaft cut down, we're going to see if it fits. All right, that looks like that'll do it.